Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. US Mobile's new Dark Star plan is being hyped as a total game changer. Unlimited everything, priority data, insane speeds, but does it actually deliver? Dark Star is a US Mobile's premium unlimited plan aimed at power users. It promises ultra-fast 5G, high priority data, even during congestion, and full support for hotspot use. The plan runs on Verizon's network through US Mobile's Super LTE route, giving you wide coverage and top-tier performance. Users say speeds are seriously fast, especially for gaming, streaming in 4K, or even large uploads. There's also real value in the included perks like international roaming, streaming services, credits, and generous hotspot data. Another plus, customer support actually responds, which is rare for prepaid carriers. I'd say that the cons are, it's not perfect. Reddit users report the fact that setup can be confusing if you're switching from an older plan, and in some rural areas, performance drops off, especially if you're on the edge of Verizon's 5G network. Also, while premium is not cheap, for single users, the price might feel too steep compared to other prepaid options. Here's my verdict though. If you want one of the fastest, most complete mobile plans in the US and don't mind paying a premium, Dark Star is completely legit, but if you're a casual user, it might be a little bit overkill. Hit like if this helped, and let me know in the comments if Dark Star is worth the price tag for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this.